Hello, good morning students. How are you? This is your notes video. The topic it is your agriculture, and the first question is climate condition favor growth of wheat. So the we have to cool climate where temperature varying between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius for on grow wet and 20 degrees Celsius while harvesting. Next, rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter and well-drained lonely soil logging avoided. Bring sunshine during ripening of crops and hot dry season for harvesting. Next, irrigation is important for wheat cultivation. So yes, because often rainfall is scarce or untimely, and if rainfall is between 50 centimeter, water through canal and tunnels will be needed to water the crops. Next, sunny weather is important during the water harvesting season. So whether the crops mature, green will rise and loses 15% of moisture. So the wheat crop is ready for harvesting. And write about the plantation agriculture. So takes place on large farm or estate and has commercial method of farming. Only one crop is grown on a very large scale. It needs large capital labors for showing, watering, medicating against pest. Nowadays, advanced technology and machines are used. Cash crop grow here. Example, rubber and jute. Next, cash crop and food crop. Cash crop and food crops, such crops like tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa, tobacco, these are the cash crop. And bananas, these are the plantation. We can say these are the cash and plantation. They are used as raw material and cultivated for commercial purpose or exported to other countries. Next, extensive farming. Extensive farming, we have two types of farming. The first one, it is your extensive, and the next one, it is your intensive. So extensive farming is mainly practiced in these areas where the density of population is low and abundant. So land is available. Fauna produce one or two commercial crops and size of the farm one large. Main crops are wheat, maize, sugarcane, etc. Next, intensive cultivation. It involves the cultivation of a small land holding with the help of primitive and simple tools. The work on the farm is done mostly by human workers like rice. Rice is the main crop. Next, climate condition needed for rubber plantation. So the temperature will be 25 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall must be 300 to 400 centimeter. Very heavy rainfall. Soil well drained loamy laterite soil. Now tapping. Rubber trees grows in raw and on huge plantation. It produces sticky wild sap called latex, which is collected and treated in factories to produce various grades of rubber used in industries. Why does Mumbai favor in growth of cotton cultivation? मुंबई में सबसे ज़्यादा कॉटन कल्टिवेशन होता है. Why? Because just see here, Maharashtra and surrounding areas have vast production of raw cotton. So raw material is easily available. First of all, for cotton we want which type of soil? Black soil. So humid climate is ideal for cotton spinning. dense population work as labor on serve as consumers. So good roads, cheap electricity, port for trades. Now the next, white tea is grown in hilly slopes because the tea needs heavy rain but no waterlogged soil. So hilly slopes are ideal for the tea growth as water draws away easily. Soil should be red laterite soil. So red laterite soil पर ही टी की खेती एग्रीकल्चर होता है, कल्टीवेशन होता है एंड हिली एरिया पे पानी आसानी से जो है नीचे की तरफ बह जाता है. सो दिस इज़ गुड फॉर टी क्रॉप्स. Now your chapter is finished, so just read it and learn all the question and answers. Thank you.